My name is Mark Carruthers. I am the Investor Relations Manager for First Majestic Silver Corp. We're publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol AG. I'd categorize First Majestic as a senior, mid-tier producer. Next year the company will be celebrating its 20th anniversary. And as it is in the name of First Majestic Silver, we're primarily a silver producer, and we concentrate on the production of silver as well as the production of gold. So the company has 4 producing mines, one in the United States in the state of Nevada, just north of a town called Elko, and then another 3 producing mines down in Mexico, one in Coahuila State, one in Sonora, and one in Durango. The project in Nevada is a 100% gold mine. The mine in Coahuila State is 100% silver. The other 2 mines in Sonora and Durango are a blend of silver and gold. Over the last 12 months, the company's been actively growing production at its new Ermitaño mine, which is part of the Santa Elena complex. The mill itself, the new mine is about 4 kilometers southeast of the existing mill. That's added significant production to the San Dimas mine, and we feel that the production will continue to grow over the months going forward. We've also made some improvements at the Jarrett Canyon, which we purchased in April of last year, where we've recently in the process of recommissioning the West Gen mine, which will add to production come October of this year, and we'll also see production from the Saval 2 mine later in the new year. And these are going to add higher grade ore as well as greater tons per day to what we're currently seeing at the mill's capacity at Jarrett Canyon. Those are the 2 big catalysts, or some of the larger catalysts that we've been focused on. Of course, research and development and improving recoveries. We're always looking to the future and ways to save costs or improve production overall and grow, of course, that production. We'll see growth in production as well as grades increasing and total tons per day increasing at the Jarrett Canyon mine. That's the acquisition we made in April of last year. And that growth will be brought about by the recommissioning of the West Gen mine in October of this year, as well as the Saval 2 mine in early 2023. We recently also intersected a high-grade pocket of gold with some significant intersects, including approximately about 19 grams per ton over 23 meters. So we're quite excited by some of the recent results we've seen in our exploration. As far as the share price goes, I mean, we've aligned ourselves with silver. This is where we've specifically focused in the company's 20-year history. You know, our production is about 50% gold, or rather 50% silver and 50% gold. The tail that wags the dog is higher silver prices, and with the silver prices under pressure right now, with the current 3 Rs, the risks, if you will, with recession, the ongoing war, and the rate increases, until we can get some of these risks behind us, it's going to be, in my opinion, a choppy, difficult market. But with a company like First Majestic that's been around for 20 years and has a proven management team, some fantastic projects, exponential growth going forward, I think taking a look at the stock and putting it on one's watch list is a savvy move. I can't tell you what the silver price or what the gold price is going to do, but eventually once these rate hikes are concluded or worked in reverse, I think the stock will act accordingly. The biggest selling features or points rather in investing in a stock like First Majestic is proven track team or a proven management team. Keith Neumeyer, our CEO, president and founder, is responsible for putting First Quantum together a number of years ago. It's one of the largest copper producers in the world and currently has a market cap of about $12 billion. You know, when I look at investments, I always look at several things. Management is key. You know, what sort of successes as a management team has. That's something First Majestic clearly has. You know, track records. You know, what's happened with your production over the years. First Majestic over the last 11 years can show a nice steady ramp up in production. That's something that we've done a fantastic job of, and that's come from organic growth as well as growth outside of the company through acquisitions. And we deem ourselves as turnaround experts. Some of the acquisitions that we've made before in the past, the market has kind of given us a funny look, but we've proven them wrong over time, and that's with our Santa Elena and San Dimas mines and what we're in the process of doing at Jerritt Canyon right now. So there's a couple factors, and then of course higher silver prices going forward. You know, you've got growth in the automotive sector, you've got growth in the solar panels, electronic devices use continues, the 5G build out. So there's, you know, silver grades globally continue to drop. There's a lot of silver out there, but what's out there, you're going to need significantly higher silver prices to get it out of the ground.